Hi, today's Canva quick tip is about background remover. You do need a pro account to do this, but I do think it's fantastically useful if you have got one. So let me just show you how you do it. It's really very simple. I've just taken a standard post size here and I've pulled up a picture of me with a background and I want to take this background out. Clicked on the image and added it here. And then if I click on that, it gives me the option to edit image. Here you can see the first thing that comes up is background remover. And if I click on this, it's off and working. And if I'm happy with that, all I have to do is apply it. Now, if there was something left in that I needed to erase, I could use the eraser, or if there's part I wanted to add back in that the remover had taken out, I can use restore. But I'm perfectly happy with this, so I'm just going to click apply, and there we have it. If I wanted then now to download this without a background, I would need to click transparent background and then download. And that's all there is to it. Hope that helps.